Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn about Shah Waliullah. Shah Waliullah was born in 1703 and died in 1762. He was also known as Qutbuddin Imam al-Hind. At the age of 7, he completed his Quran from Madrasa Rahimiyya. After that, he started teaching in Madrasa Rahimiyya for 12 years. He was a revolutionary. He was the one scholar who understood the problems of Muslims and told how Muslim can regenerate it. He was also known as reformer because in the era of last Mughal Empire, he recognized that the Muslim community is facing trouble. The Muslim were degenerated from a powerful and well-integrated community to a helpless and disorganized crowd. He told that problems of Muslims face due to ignorance about Islam and Holy Quran. What are the plans of Shah Waliullah? He said, until the Muslims are not aware of Holy Quran, they will remain backward. For that, they need to learn Holy Quran. According to him, study the meaning of text is more important, but not only the translation. He began a movement which had ambitions to educating, organizing, and awakening the Muslims. Services of Shah Waliullah. He translated Holy Quran in Persian. Solid Muslim unity. He wanted to replace incompetent and corrupt Muslim rulers with competent and practical Muslim rulers. In his era, there was also a Battle of Plassey held in 1767. We will learn more about his services in my next video. Thanks.